How to backup iPhone to external hard drive on Windows. This step-by-step guide will help you securely save your data, including photos, messages, and settings, without cluttering your computer. Way 1. How to backup iPhone directly to external hard drive on Windows. Connect both your iPhone and the external hard drive to your computer. Then go to iSunshare.com to get iSync Genius. Launch the software. The program will automatically detect your connected iPhone. Select Backup option. Click Next to proceed. Click All Backups tab. Click the Choose button to select your external hard drive. Click the Start button to begin the backup process. If you want to restore the iPhone backup, click Restore option and select the backup file in your external hard drive. Way 2. How to copy iPhone backup to external hard drive on Windows. Open iTunes and get your iPhone connected. Click the iPhone icon. Click Backup now to back up your iPhone data to computer. Go to the backup location on your computer. Copy the backup folder from your computer to the external hard drive. After that, the backup file is saved on the external hard drive. That's all there is to today's topic.